The hallway is indeed an important part of the house as it creates the first impression on guests. Clutter, such as coats and shoes, can give a negative look and smell to whoever enters. Many people opt for coat hangers in the hallway to organize coats. If you have kids, the hallway can easily become cluttered, especially during winters. To address this, I personally chose a white IKEA Pax wardrobe with less depth to maintain a sleek appearance. To keep the house organized, I store daily use shoes, coats, and bags in this cupboard. However, on the day when guests arrive, it is advisable to take our coats upstairs to a designated room. This will help keep the entryway clear, and guests can hang their coats in the cupboard in a way to create a more welcoming atmosphere for our visitors. Additionally, I purchased another shoe rack with storage as well for manuals and papers, and a good usage for guest shoes to avoid clutter. This will help maintain a clutter-free and tidy environment in your home. While white furniture looks good in the hallway, I found it a bit boring, don't you think? And decided to add some elements to enhance its appeal. Scented candles were purchased to provide a pleasant aroma to the house, and candle lantern from IKEA. To introduce more colours, I bought colourful dried bunny tails from eBay and a hand-shaped vase from Etsy. However, to maintain a tidy look, I also purchased a tray from eBay. Additionally, I added a colourful cushion from TK Maxx to bring colour to the white furniture. Lastly, I got a gift beautiful Arabic calligraphy frame from Pakistan. Overall, my efforts have resulted in a tidy and visually appealing hallway with added elements of colour and aroma. Oops! This is when we shifted in this house with old furniture.